The internet feels permanent. Websites load instantly. Messages travel across the planet in seconds. Streaming platforms deliver video without interruption. But behind that experience is a fragile system. A global network of data centers, servers, and cloud platforms. And increasingly, much of that infrastructure runs on the same foundation. Amazon Web Services. AWS powers millions of applications across the internet. Streaming services, startups, financial systems, government platforms. Entire companies exist entirely inside AWS infrastructure. But in February 2017, something unexpected happened. Inside an AWS data center in Virginia, a routine maintenance task was being performed. An engineer attempted to remove a small number of servers from the storage system. The command was supposed to affect only a limited set of machines. Instead, the command removed far more capacity than intended. Two critical subsystems inside AWS's S3 storage platform were affected. S3 is not just another cloud feature. It is one of the core storage systems powering modern internet infrastructure. When the subsystem failed, the impact spread quickly. Websites began to load slowly. Then they stopped loading at all. Slack went offline. Trello stopped responding. Developers across the world began posting the same message. Something is wrong with AWS. What made this incident remarkable was not only the outage, it was what the outage revealed. A large portion of the internet depended on the same infrastructure layer. When that layer failed, thousands of unrelated services failed together. The event became one of the most famous cloud outages in internet history. And the cause was surprisingly simple. A human error, a command executed with the wrong scope. This incident forced engineers to reconsider how cloud systems are designed, because modern infrastructure is built on layers of dependency. Applications depend on platforms. Platforms depend on storage. Storage depends on internal control systems. When one layer fails, the shock travels upward. The AWS outage demonstrated something important. Cloud computing created incredible efficiency, but it also created concentration. A small number of companies now host a massive portion of the global internet. That concentration makes systems powerful, but it also increases the potential impact of failure. The lesson from this outage was not simply about human error. It was about system design. In large distributed systems, failure is inevitable. The real challenge is controlling how far that failure spreads. Because the internet may look infinite, but underneath, it rests on a surprisingly small number of machines.